कांग्रेस प्रोटेम स्पीकर के मसले को लेकर भी आर पार की लड़ाई के मूड में है और हमलावर रुख अपनाए हुए है। कांग्रेस इस वक्त मीडिया से मुखातब हो रहे हैं। कांग्रेस के आला नेता ये ले चलते हैं आपको सीधे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में। The facts of the case reveal that appellants along with MP Renukacharya and Narasimha Nayak wrote identical letters to the governor on 6th October 2010 indicating that as MLAs of BJP they had become disillusioned with the functioning of the government headed by B.S. Yedurappa. According to them, there was widespread corruption, nepotism, favoritism, abuse of power, and misuse of government machinery in the functioning of the government headed by Chief Minister Shri B.S. Yedurappa. ये स्पेसिफिक उन्होंने इल्ज़ाम लगाया था। अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो इसका निर्णय किया है वो पैरा 77 में जो उन्होंने रिमार्क्स दिए, मैं उसकी तरफ आपका ध्यान आकर्षित करूंगा। उन्होंने कहा इन आवर व्यू not only did the speaker's action, Mr. Bopaia's action, amount to denial of the principle of natural justice to the appellants, but it also reveals a partisan trait in the speaker's approach in disposing of the application filed by Shri B.S. Yedurappa. This conduct on the part of the speaker is also indicative of the hot haste with which speaker disposed of the disqualification petition as complained of by the appellants. And then Supreme Court passed further stinging strictures, and that they said in para 86. I'm just reading a few more lines for you. The procedure adopted by the speaker, that is Shri Bopaia, seems to indicate that he was trying to meet the time schedule set by the governor for the trial of strength in the assembly.